Hey, big brother, sorry for the delay on getting this out to you, man. I had a 16 pill that was nightmare repair. I had to get off the bench before I could get to this. I don't know if you remember me telling you I had this box, so I just needed to put 2 transistors in it. So that's what I went ahead and done for you, man, is put these 2 transistors in here for you. To a matching set of 9F non-dot Toshibas, used Toshibas. Okay. The only other thing I've done to this is added these 2 feedback circuits right here, because I had took the other ones off and they were quite big. So yeah, man, she's working good now. This really ain't designed to, push these things real hard with a drive or anything, because of the box it's in. It's fairly a small box. I wouldn't put a 1-bill driver on this thing or nothing like that, because this thing's mainly run just designed to hit with a radio. But anyway, man, running on my unregulated supply, which is floating at 18 volts. It's going to drop to 15.7, which is a little high. But here's what we're getting: RMS wattage, 1000 watt slug. We're reading the bottom scale where it says 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. That 20 is 200. That's about 180 watt RMS. Here's your peak. Right there, 500 watts. So this thing's stroking, doing good too, man. All right. If you want to, man, you could cut you out a little hole on top of here, man. Put your fan in there to at least blow down on the pills a little bit. Hit that heat sink down there just a tad bit. But really, you'd need to wall off one side right here to make it, But this box isn't designed for forced airflow. So there you go, man. It's really designed just to hit with a radio, man, not a driver, because it really can't handle the heat that these bad boys can produce. I personally wouldn't ever put 2 2879s in a box this small. I do 2290s, 1446s, and stuff like that. All right, bud. We'll get this thing shipped out to you. We'll put 4 screws in here and we'll get it on down the road. Have a good one.